so here's the Essex. This is the $45.95. They've got 4 different models. So this is their top of the line, y'all. You're a little shy of $1 million here at the show. Okay, $956, $859. Okay, it is a tag axle. So meaning you got your 2 axles in the back, right? Not just one. Let's get on. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at the floor in here, guys. Oh yeah, we have definitely stepped up another notch. Yeah.
I love this floor.
Right? We've gone from tile to marble. Or granite, excuse me, one of the 2. Wow, look at that. You've got a lighted glass partition between the sofa and the cooktop because you've got induction. Is this 4? No, it's just one big top.
Okay.
I want to drop that on there. 70-30 sink. You got a fridge for the winers.
Yeah.
This one's got a bar too. Love it.
Nice.
Again, look at the fluted edge
Isn't that
all the way around.
Yeah, the little spiral there.
This one has a Bosch microwave. This is the first one that doesn't have the, I had to say that in the last one. I just jinxed me.
Yeah.
Every other one has had a Whirlpool.
Yeah.
This one has got the Bosch. This, believe it or not, is your dishwasher. That's how you open it if you didn't know. You hit it. You knock on it and it unlocks it to open it up. Just a hint. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, nice little pull outs. Yep. Again, I think you push.
Oh, because it's so much front back. I love this door.
All right, so there's your dinette. You got some sort of glass tiles up there, which are awesome.
Whereas ours seats are.
So you've got your 2 seats, which again are all custom, all leather. They're recliners. And then you've got your sofa over here as well. Your drop-down TV on the televator. The same sort of cabinetry with the flutes everywhere. This one's built on a Spartan chassis. You do have a TV up front. Now as far as the ceiling goes, sort of different treatment up top, as you can see. Okay, but again, that floor goes all the way through. All right, so we missed the, it's all right, you can come out. We missed the food pantry, which is right there. Lights come on when you open it. Remember, you just push and these trays all come out. Okay.
A nice refrigerator.
Nice, and a Bosch. This is Bosch as well. Again, I jinxed us.
Yeah.
This is a big one, Lisa.
Yes, it is.
That is huge. It's bigger than the rest of them. And then you have another shelving unit over here. These don't pull out, but they are adjustable, as you can see. All right, you got your half bath here. Give that to Lisa. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be just like the others from a comfort standpoint. It certainly is. All right, so even if I close the door, you can't see my feet.
Where'd you go?
So there you go. All right, so you got this sort of glass under counter mount with the solid surface surrounding it. Again, the same cabinetry throughout. Really chic looking in here, right?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Glass tile backsplash.
I know.
Nice. All right, so we get into the back. This looks just like all the rest of the bedrooms, but different fit and finish, right? Different type of headboard, different cabinetry that matches everything else. You do have your his and hers nightstands. There will be power there, just not sure where. It's probably hidden inside like the other ones.
That would be my guess.
Okay.
The bed is
God,
lighted
comfortable.
underneath.
Oh my gosh, sit on the bed. Most mattresses are not comfortable. That is comfortable. Okay, so you got a nice big TV front and center. You also have some cabinetry next to it. Obviously you wouldn't hang stuff in there, but you could fold stuff. Obviously some electronics would go in there. You've got your 6 drawers down here in the bottom. Okay, as far as hanging goes, your closet has got to be up in here. So first things first, your washer and dryer is going to be right when you come in this bathroom. It's right here. It's hard to see if Lisa backs up. There you go. Okay. There's an emergency exit as well. It's right here. So if you need to get out from the back of the coach, you can. So talk about the toilets. One more time, no problems at all. Okay. There's cabinet. This is a big cabinet. In fact, I'm going to have to get out of the way. So cedar line, it's where you're hanging some of your clothes. Okay.
Nice safe in there.
Yep. And then on this side, there's also some more cabinetry.
Oh, wow.
Cedar lined.
There's hanging space as well. Look at that.
Yep.
It smells so good.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
And then, of course, the shower. Climb in there for the tall people.
Alrighty.
So it's actually a little bit tight because this has a barrel ceiling. It's not bad, but you know, I'm a little bit close. The bench is down, so it's hard for me to move around in here. So all in all, it's a great shower. I wouldn't have a problem in here at all, but I'd have to sort of shoot this at me like this. So this one's just a little bit, interestingly enough, the most expensive one we see is the most challenging shower for me. And just for giggles, I just want to see this, Lisa. Just for giggles. Oh, I thought that might be a pet drawer. Hi.
And
All
let's
right.
look at the sinks. I don't remember if we got that view or not.
I'm always honest with you guys. To be honest, even though this was the most expensive, it was my least favorite. I really didn't like how the whole back area was. And that's just me, my preference. Yeah, I just,
You felt a little confined in the shower, didn't you?
well, just not just the shower, but I didn't like the way the closets were laid out back there.
Gotcha.
You know, you got to pull your clothes out over the top of the toilet.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It just didn't do it for me.